Alright guys, so now I'm going to open the booster packs. So first of all, I was just like making the video and I'm doing it on the iPhone, so I don't know if it wasn't working. It just wasn't working. I tried, it wasn't like rewinding or anything. So here we go. We have a Snivy, Bandit Chikorita for in my custom booster pack, Score Bunny, and a Fennekin. So nothing out of that. I mean, when do you get anything out of McDonald's boosters? There is nothing in there. We have a Zacian Sword and Shield booster. I mean, they're not all gonna be Sword and Shield. We have the Shining Face booster pack, Toxicity on it. These are custom. Not all of these cards will be Sword and Shields or Shining Fates. I just like making custom boosters. Man, I taped this one good. Oh, alright. This is one of my favorites. There you go. We have the custom Japanese Pokemon booster. Alright, let's just get right into it. We're like this, and there you go. We have a one in the back. Oh, there it is. There's that McCargo. Let me look at the other. Oh my god. I got a sneeze. And I didn't even know how to pause it, so sorry. Alright, there you go. So here it is. Look how much these two look alike. Wow. It looks a lot alike. Wowie. Okay, let's see. So, okay. We have a McCargo. We have a Tinamo. Swalodon. Alright. Sneak peek action. Ah, we got nothing. And Flabébé. So nothing out of that. That there. Okay, that goes there. And this goes there. Alright, next off we got this, and this is the last item that we have for today. Alright. And 2 Shining Fates, 1 Guardian Riding. But all of them aren't gonna be from the same set. I said that before like a million times. So we have 2 Shining Fates, 1 Guardian Rising. Let's get into the Shining Fates first. How about we save the Zard for last? I mean, I'm a Zard hunter. Even if I only have 2 Zards and never a Charizard V or Gigantamax. Alright, there you go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna say Darkness Energy. We have a Fighting Energy. Alright, Fighting Energy, Marini, Horsey. We have a Voltorb, Executor. Wow, it's a rare from Evolutions. I mean, I already know. We have Electrode, Sharpedo. Ooh, I think we actually pulled something. If we got there, Hop. We have a Energy Switch. We have a Team Yell Grunt. Ooh, sheesh. Copra Joey. Wait. What the? I guess I found a mistake out of here. Okay. We found a mistake. Yay. I'm so glad I'm making this video so I don't make any more mistakes. Wow. That was a really good mistake. We put all of this back here and there. Alright, we're saving that Zard for last. Actually, you know what? This is the oldest, so we're saving that one for last. We have a Shining Fates now. There was no shiny fates inside of that, so they'll be complaining about that. Don't say bad things in the comments. Bad boosters. Yeah, I guess you guys can say that because you can see it's really hard to take that off. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm gonna go with psychic energy. We got a darkness energy. We have a Skidoo and a Litleo, a Corpus. We have a Drizzle, Heracross, Milo, Fan of Waves, Pokemon Catcher, Reverse Hollow, Helioptile. We got the worst Pokemon. And we have a Frostmoth non-hollow. Alright, that was a bad one. That was definitely a bad pack. We pulled like nothingness out of there. We pulled fresh air. And that's nothing. These were actually of the starter symbol. Corpus, Litleo, and Skidoo. We should have them battle sometime. Pokemon, if you're seeing this, make a video of Corpus, Litleo, and Skidoo battling. Yeah. Make a video. That will get like more than 1 million views. There you go. And after the last pack. Come on, let's check some last pack magic. I don't even remember what I put it in this Guardian Rising. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what? Time to go again with... Okay, I'm gonna put it like that. Let's see. Let's have last pack magic. Okay. I think I already saw it. Yeah, it's a psychic energy. We have a psychic energy. We have an Eevee, one of my favorite Pokemon. Look at that Eevee. It's so cute. We have a Marini Nose Pass. We have a Solrock, Rakloak, Powerful Energy. Sorry, it just like froze there. Yeah, it's freezing a little bit. We have a Revive, Fennekin, or Sharpedo, or Electrode. I don't care who you. And whoa, a fake Terrakion, non-hollow. Alright, let's take a little sneak peek action. Ooh, alright. I see what's happening. 3, 2, 1, and we're ending on... Oh wait, first did we even get a good pull out of this? I don't think we got... Oh wait, alright. In this Copperjaw, we go into the VIP section, and we're ending on... Oh, Aetherflash! You definitely did not ruin this video. That was it for today's video. Hope you guys liked this, and peace.